Welcome back to my channel. So you guys have been requesting this video for a while, so here it goes. Start off by creating a vertical parting in the center of your head from your hairline to your neck. Follow that up with a horizontal line again in the middle of your head from ear to create equal quadrants. That is 4 equal sections. Then to start the style, you are going to part diagonally from the center of your head where your quadrants meet to your hairline. Use an edge control of your liking. I am currently using my Isoplus edge control. Start creating small horizontal sections and African threading those sections using Marley braid. I love using Marley braid as opposed to using wool because I feel like when you finally connect all the dots, when you finally connect your African threaded sections to your hair piece, that is your ponytail, it looks so natural. It just looks like you've done it with your hair. So Marley braid is just the bomb.com when it comes to African threading your hair using another braid. To section off or to make sure that your African threading is secure at the ends, just tie it off with a small piece of the Marley braid. Make sure that you braid lower than your natural hair is, so that when you're finally unraveling your African threading, it doesn't give you a problem. After you are done African threading the sections, flat twist them together until you reach the end of the section and then secure with a non-snag elastic band. So after you are done, just like I've done, you're going to go on and flat twist it so that it looks like an African threaded flat twist cornrow. Like, look, it's so easy, you guys. It's so easy, it's so much fun, it's so different, so go for it. You are going to create 2 more diagonal partings and follow the same procedure as you did right at the start of the style. And after you're done African threading the sections, you can count them. You can create maybe 10. You can, depending on number 1, the size of your head, number 2, the volume of your hair. All these sections could end up being different. Spritz your hair with water, then add an oil to ensure moisturization and hydration before styling. Follow that up with a gel of your choice. I'm going to be using my Eco Styler gel because it works wonders for my natural hair. Make sure you work the gel using your fingers and then you comb it through. I always get this question on my Instagram, so I decided to show you guys in this video. So section your hair into small parts and then apply gel between those sections. If you've ever had your hair relaxed, then that's basically what you're doing. Remember how they used to apply relaxer to your hair? They would section small equal parts and then from basically where your hair starts all the way up, they would apply the gel. Do that before combing your gel in. And because you've spritzed your hair before doing this, you're not going to be combing dry hair. Once you're done doing that, you're going to brush it through using a hard brush, a Denman brush, or you can just comb it through and then use your hands to sleek it down. Lay your edges and follow through with your toothbrush, making sure there aren't any flyaways. If you're not an edge laying girl, then that's up to you. You can go ahead and tie your hair off using a satin scarf and allow it to dry. And allow your hair to dry. I'm going to go in with my better length extensions. These are clip-in extensions that are perfect for the style. Should you not have better length extensions, please don't fret, don't worry. I have a video that I'm going to link in the description box showing you guys how you can make your own clip-in extension using affordable synthetic hair that is curly. So all you need to do is just click down below, go watch that video, and you'll be able to create the style. After you are done clipping your hair extensions into around your style and around your ponytail, you're going to take a small piece of hair. Remember to spritz your natural hair extensions so that they don't frizz and so that you can work them in. After you are done clipping in just the last section or the last clip in, you're going to take a small piece from that section and then you're going to wrap it around the base. This makes sure to cover up the band of your clip-ins or the band of your weave or the band of whatever extension you're using. I'm just going to continue spritzing water that is mixed with leave-in conditioner or just any natural conditioner to ensure that my extensions are pliable and I can manipulate them more. After you're done with that, that's it. Your hair is done. You're ready to rock and roll. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to meet you guys again in the next video. Should you have any suggestions, please do not hesitate to leave them down below. I love styling my natural hair and showing you guys easy ways to rock your natural kinks and curls. Mwah!